Important question. Find the equation of the plane passing through the line of intersection of the planes, and the lines are given, equations are given in the vector form and passing through the point 2, 1 and minus 2. Now, the equation of the plane passing through the line of intersection of the planes is vector r dot I cap plus 3 j cap minus k cap minus 5 1 plus lambda with vector r with 2 I cap minus j cap plus k cap minus 3 is equal to 0. Now we can write this as vector r with vector r we have taken common. Now we are having I cap plus 3 j cap minus k cap minus 5 plus lambda with 2 I cap minus j cap plus k cap minus 3 is equal to 0, or we can write this as vector r dot, now 1 plus 2 lambda with I cap plus 3 minus lambda with j cap plus minus 1 plus lambda with k cap minus 5 minus 3 lambda is equal to 0. Now, if plane 1 passes through, now it passes through 2, 1, minus 2, then vector r is equal to 2 I cap minus plus j cap minus 2 k cap should satisfy it. Okay. So now I cap plus j cap minus 2 k cap with 1 plus 2 lambda I cap plus 3 minus lambda j cap minus 1 plus lambda k cap minus 5 minus 3 lambda is equal to 0. Now this becomes 2 with 1 plus 2 lambda plus 1 with 3 minus lambda minus 2 with minus 1 plus lambda minus 5 minus 3 lambda is equal to 0. Now 2 plus 4 lambda plus 3 minus lambda plus 2 minus 2 lambda minus 5 minus 3 lambda is equal to 0. Now 4 lambda minus lambda minus 2 lambda, minus 3 lambda. We are having 4 different terms. Now minus 3 and minus 3, minus 6, 4 minus 2 lambda. Minus 2 lambda is one thing. Then now just remove these things. Okay. Now we are having 2 and 3, 5, 5 and 2, 7, 7 minus 5 is 2, plus 2 is equal to 0, and this implies lambda is equal to 1. Now substituting value of lambda in equation 1, we get value of lambda in equation 1. Equation 1 is where? Equation 1 is here. So we are getting now vector r dot, now lambda is 1, so 3 I cap plus 2 j cap plus 0 k cap minus 5 and minus 3 is minus 8. Minus 8 is equal to 0. Required equation is vector r dot 3 I cap plus 2 j cap, let it be, is equal to 8. Answer.